Hello everyone. Look what I got in the mail today. Have a look. This is a 100-sided dice. And today, I'm going to take it out of the box to give you a real good look of what it looks like. You ready? Oh yeah. So there it is. You can see it. It's got all the numbers labelled from 1 to 100. The 100's at the front. Number 1 is at the back. So have a look. And it's galaxy purple if you don't know. The chances of me rolling 100 on the first go is like 1%, because trust me, I know I would take heaps of chances. But still, be something worth a shot. So let's give it its first roll. You ready? Alright, what numbers shall you give me today? 46. 46. Let's do 5 rolls in total. Let's do 5 rolls in total. What number shall you come up with next? 41. Alright. Number 3. 47. My God. So far we're having a lot of numbers in the 40s. Ready? 46 again. Oh my God, I just rolled the same number twice. I wonder what's so interesting about the numbers being in the 40s. You ready? 67. There we go, just broke the silence. Oh, so there you go. This is my brand new 100-sided dice. Just to give you a good visual on it. And yeah, that's everything I've got to show you. Thanks for watching, everyone. My name's Van Thursday, and I'll see you guys again soon. Bye for now.